Hi guys, this is Miss James. Here is one of our questions from last week. How can the solution to a system of equations be represented by a table? So let's kind of recap back to what we learned before we learned about tables. The first thing that we learned was when we have a graph and we have two lines, the answer to this system of equations is right there where they cross. So essentially it's an x and y coordinate. It's one point where they cross on the graph. The other thing that we learned was substitution. So this is where we had two equations. And then we had to substitute them into each other. Well, let me fix that way. We had to substitute them into each other to, again, find an x and y coordinate. So in the last situation, which is this question, table. What does table look like? Well, there's two different equations. Just like here we had one line, two lines. For substitution, we had one line, two lines. Same thing for table. We're going to have two tables. So using these tables, how can we find the solution? What has our solution been this whole time? A point. Each time it's been a point. So this time we're also going to be finding a point. In the graph situation, we looked right here where they crossed. In substitution, first we found x, we substituted again, and then we found y. In a table, what do we look for to find the solution?